Chapter: History and Culture, Nature and Wildlife, Major Oceans, Seas, and Rivers, Glowing Star, Africa. Hey explorers! Ready to learn some awesome facts? Let's go! Rocket. Key historical events and figures. Did you know that India's history is like a treasure chest? Amphora, from brave kings and queens like Akbar and Rani Lakshmibai to amazing events like the independence movement led by Mahatma Gandhi, India's past is full of exciting stories. India. Indian culture and traditions. India is famous for its colorful festivals like Diwali and Holi, where people light lamps and throw colors everywhere. Artist palette. We also have delicious food like dosas and biryanis, curry rice, and traditional dances like Bharatnatyam and Kathak. Dancer. Interesting facts about nature and wildlife. India is home to the majestic Bengal tiger, and the gentle Asian elephant. We also have beautiful peacocks, and the rare one-horned rhinoceros. Our forests, mountains, and rivers are full of amazing creatures. Major oceans, seas, and rivers. The Indian Ocean, ocean wave, touches India's southern coast, while the Ganges River, National Park, flows through its heart, bringing life to many towns and villages. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are the other big water bodies around India, full of marine wonders. Isn't our world fascinating? Let's keep exploring. Globe, sparkles.